safety performance of Antelon is far beyond the existing wheel and tail burst safety device. Subversive innovative technology. The second bit seat, the unique anti-slip tooth structure. When tail is closed, it can ensure that the wheel hub and the tail are tightly glued and effectively prevent safety accident caused by direction deviation of the vehicle due to the tail burst. The direction of the burst tail is not offside at 120 yards per hour, and the tail can continue to travel about 5 kilometers without pressure. The ability to prevent loss of control and rollover after tail burst raised to 90% for the first time. Tail blown. The wheel is controllable at the moment of crisis. The direction is stable and controllable, and the car is stable and stops calmly after the tail is blown. And parallels are suitable for various types of vehicles, such as large and small cars. Control marks the pinpoints and ensuring travel safety. The direction is no longer out of control. The fate is free to control. Extremely secure and stable.